Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing the essentials. Sign into RecipeKeeper and confirm sync is on so changes appear on all devices. Once done, tap Import and pick the source, file, URL, clipboard, or photo, because each keeps different metadata. Make sure to review and correct title, ingredients, yields, and tags immediately so search and scaling work later. This first actionable step removes guesswork and lets you organize recipes consistently. Next, edit and organize each recipe to make it usable. You should clean up ingredient lines and rewrite steps into clear, numbered instructions so cooking flows smoothly. This helps timers and shopping lists later. Assign categories, tags, and smart collections to surface recipes by meal or diet. When scaling servings, use the scale function and verify unit conversions to avoid mismeasured spices or liquids. These middle steps turn raw imports into reliable, repeatable recipes you'll actually cook. Finally, add recipes to your meal planner and generate the consolidated shopping list so shopping and prep are efficient. While you cook, use built-in timers, write quick notes, and rate the recipe. This feedback loop improves future choices. Make sure to save edits and back up regularly. If something goes wrong, like sync failing, force refresh the app, confirm your internet connection, and re-sign in. Usually that restores changes without loss and keeps your collection reliable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.